want to whiten your skin or lighten your skin in a natural way, this cream is for you. The cream doesn't contain any hydroquinone or steroids. It's all organic with all organic products. Plants use oils like aloe vera oil or aloe vera gel. So you don't need to worry about this because there's not any long-term consequences. It's only beneficial to your skin because this gel, this cream, it heals your skin as well from inside. If you ever bleach, you have melasma, sunburn, it actually protects your skin against the sunburn. Hi guys, my name is Latoya. Welcome to my channel. For those that are new, welcome. And for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today I'll be showing you guys on how to make your lightening face cream. You need this oil. The oil you see here is a mixture of carrot oil, papaya oil, lemon oil, as well tomato oil. How to make this oil, you need to infuse all of them, but I'm going to explain throughout the video. First of all, you need 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. You can use 99% of aloe vera gel or your own aloe vera gel at home. You can just take from your root, your aloe vera plant, and then take the gel and you mix. But in this case, if you use the aloe vera gel from home, it's going to stay only for 7 days. And then after that, pour your mixed oil. How to make this oil? Grate your carrot, your papaya, your tomato, your lemon, and then dry those grated fruits in the sun, or you can even actually grate it inside the house. Once you grate, you can infuse it for 1 month. You infusing is when you mix the oils into those grated fruits, and then you infuse it within a bowl, and then in the dark cupboard. Let me make a video on this, in a dark cupboard, and then you can use that. After that, you put your oils into the gel, aloe vera gel. This gel can last you, this mixture can last you up to 6 months. It's more suitable for people with oily skin. If you have a dry skin, try to use shea butter, cocoa butter, melt it, then you add your oils, then you are good to go. After mixing everything, put your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. It actually preserves, it's not a preservative, but it prevents your products to go rancid. If you are making any products, please do not forget to add vitamin E oil because it helps your products not to go rancid. Now, if you want the shelf life of your products to go longer, to last longer, add the preservative. After adding your vitamin E oil, try to mix it very well until you get your desired texture. That's how it looks like. It looks like a kind of milkish, like rice milky cream. Because if you know how to make a rice milk cream, that's how it looks like. It's easy to make. You can actually do this at your home. You don't need to buy this product. Just do it at your house. After that, try to transfer it into a sterilized bottle. Why sterilized? To avoid germs going into your products. Do not add water into your sterilized bottle. If you sterilize a bottle, leave it to get dry, then you can add the products. That's how the final results look like, guys. This cream is the one, because like some of us that have oily skin, it's gonna last. It makes your skin moisturize, it makes your skin soft, helps with dark spot, it helps with uneven skin tone, helps with acne. If you have acne, also use this one. Of course, it lightens and whitens, but do not worry about, because it's not a bleaching product. Bleaching in a way where you use hydroquinone or steroids. There's no any steroids involved in this product. So you can see in my gloves, it doesn't stain your skin. You can actually apply on your whole body and you won't see your clothes dirty. Let's say if you want to wear white clothes, so you won't have a problem with that. So that's how you can make your whitening / lightening skincare products. Your whitening cream, let me just say, not whitening because I'm saying lightening because we don't have any bleach ingredients here, you know. So but then it lightens and whitens. Let me just say, for those that don't like to lighten or whiten, so just use this 2 times a day, and then morning and evening. If you want to have a good result, use this morning and evening. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.